The proper orientation for the A773 Sulfur filter. The A773 Sulfur filter is a filter that is needed when you're using a 700 series combustion analyzer for work with oil-fired equipment. Basically, it takes all the nasty stuff out and enables it to clean flue gas to go into the analyzer without causing any problems. So an A773 is required when you're working with oil-fired equipment. This is the standard flue probe, and this is the flue probe with the A773 oil filter. So all that needs to be done simply is to take out the water trap, and you can do that by pulling apart the hose from the water trap itself, and then replacing the water trap with the A773 sulfur filter. It's bidirectional, so either way you put it in, it's fine. And then what you need to do is take the K-type thermocouple probe, this yellow cord, and move it back. And then you're going to make another snip in the hose here, like we've done in this instance. And then we'll slip the water filter back in the back here like that. So basically what you end up having is, you take out the old water filter, you put in the A773, you make a snip behind the sulfur filter, and then you put in your water trap. The only important thing to remember is when you're replacing the water trap that the paper filter points to the top, to the yellow cord, to the K-type thermocouple. That way, when water rushes through here, it's correctly orientated into the analyzer. So that's just a little tip on how to make sure that your A773 oil filter is correctly installed in your 700 series combustion analyzer.